Once again, welcome to Module 7. Let us now get detailed information on this part of the module. Teacher education. Number 1. 4-year integrated B.Ed. The minimum degree qualification for teaching that includes student teaching at local schools by 2030. Number 2. 2-year B.Ed for applicants with existing bachelor degree in other specialized subjects. Number 3. 1-year B.Ed for those who have completed the equivalent of a 4-year multidisciplinary bachelor degree or have obtained a master degree in a specialty and wish to become a subject teacher in that specialty. Also, there will be special shorter local teacher education program will also be available at DITs, DIETs or at school complexes themselves for eminent local persons who can be hired to teach at schools or school complexes as master instructors for promoting local professions, knowledge, and skills. For example, local art, music, agriculture, business, sports, carpentry, and other vocational crafts. Improving teacher education. Let us look at the key measures that will be taken for improving teacher education. First, new and comprehensive national curriculum framework for teacher education by 2021. All teacher education programs to be conducted within composite multidisciplinary institutions. The NTA, that is National Testing Agency, will take test for admissions in B.Ed. Stringent action against substandard standalone teacher education institutions. National Higher Education Regulatory Council (NHERC) will function as a single point regulator for the higher education sector, including teacher education but excluding medical and legal education. Only educationally sound, multidisciplinary and integrated teacher education programs shall be enforced by 2030. Merit-based scholarships for studying 4-year integrated B.Ed programs shall be instituted to ensure the admission of outstanding students in the teaching profession. Setting up of a national mission for mentoring with a large pool of outstanding senior or retired faculty to provide short and long-term mentoring or professional support to university and college teachers. Teacher Eligibility Test (TET) will be strengthened to inculcate better test material and to cover teachers across all stages of school education. Educational qualification and training. Let us look at some of the key reforms. Training in high quality pedagogy. Teacher education will gradually be moved by 2030 into multidisciplinary colleges and universities. B.Ed revamped. The minimum degree qualification for teaching will be a 4-year integrated B.Ed degree. The 2-year B.Ed program will also be offered only for those who have already obtained bachelor's degree in specialized subjects. 1-year B.Ed program will be offered to those who have completed the equivalent of a 4-year multidisciplinary bachelor degree or a master degree in a specialty. Next, Shorter certification courses for local teacher education programs will be available at DITEs, DIETs. Eminent local persons will be hired to teach as master instructors. Shorter post-BEd certification courses will also be available. NCFTE 2021. NCFT stands for National Curriculum Framework for Teacher Education, which will be formulated by the NCTE in consultation with NCERT based on NEP 2020. Stringent action will be taken against substandard standalone teacher education institutions (TEIs). Thank you for joining us in this part of the module. I hope the information that you have got is beneficial to you.